Hey, problem solvers, I need your help. A bus for route A leaves the station every 6 minutes. A bus for route B leaves the same station every 9 minutes. Buses for both routes leave the station at 8 a.m. What is the next time that buses for both routes leave the station at the same time? That's a pretty overwhelming word problem, huh? But I also know that we literally just got finished talking about how readers tackle nonfiction text. And while this might be a hypothetical question, we can still use some of those skills that we've learned in literacy to tackle this word problem, shall we? All right, let's organize our information. So we have bus A. Let's have him be green. Oops. All right, we have bus A who leaves the station every 6 minutes. Okay, and then we have bus B, let's have him be blue, who leaves the same station every 9 minutes. Now they both leave at 8 a.m. When is the next time that buses for both routes leave the station at the same time? What's their next step? Well, if bus A leaves at 8 o'clock and then again in 6 minutes, then I know that it also leaves at 8:06. And then what? 8:12. Why did I do that? 8:12. And then an 8:18. Oh, wait. Do you see what we're doing here? We are finding multiples. I'm just listing the multiples of 6. So we can go over and do the same thing with the 9, right? It would leave at 8:09. It would leave at 8:18. We found the multiples of 9, and already we see what time both would leave. Guys, we just found the common multiple. This word problem looked so complicated, didn't it? But when we really thought about it logically, all it was asking us to do was find a common multiple of 6 and 9. And we absolutely did that. The common multiple is 18. So we know that the buses will leave at the same time at 8 a.m. and at 8:18 a.m. Does that make sense? Let's look at one more. Clara is putting 9 mangoes, 18 kiwis, and 6 oranges into baskets. Each basket must have the same combination of fruit. What is the greatest number of baskets she could have, and how many of each fruit will be in each basket? Again, right off the bat, this seems really advanced and really complicated. I promise you guys, this problem is just asking you to find a common multiple. Do you see why? Each basket must have the same combination of fruit. So what we need to do here is find the common multiple of 9, 18, and 6. Do you see why? Let's look at just the mangoes for a second. We'll make mangoes red in this case. So if we have 9 mangoes, we could have, oops, I know. We could have one basket of 9 mangoes, or we can have 3 baskets of 3 mangoes, right? What about the kiwis? We'll make kiwis green. You could have 1 box of 18 mangoes, or we could have 3 boxes with 6 mangoes each. What about oranges? We absolutely could have just 1 box of 6 oranges, or we could have 3 baskets with 2 mangoes each. Do you see how these 3 baskets of 3 mangoes add up to 9? And these 3 baskets add up to 18 kiwis, and these 3 baskets add up to 6 oranges. So 3 is our common multiple. So we are going to have 3 baskets, each with 3 mangoes, 6 kiwis, and 2 oranges. And I was able to do that because I was very familiar with how to find multiples. You see? So this is our answer. I'm going to give you one more. 54 flowers are to be arranged in an even amount of vases so that each vase has the same number of flowers. There needs to be at least 5 vases and at most 20 vases. What are the possible numbers of vases needed? I'm going to let you guys answer this one independently. Remember, it might sound overwhelming at first, but I know you all have the skills to solve it if you think critically about it. So try your best, really try, think about it for a bit, and come back to Zoom with your answer. And we'll see you there. Bye.